Have you ever missed an important call, even though your iPhone was right beside you? Maybe it was someone you absolutely needed to hear from. There's an iPhone feature that lets selected contacts ring through, even when your iPhone is silenced by a focus mode. It's called Emergency Bypass, and it's hidden inside the Contacts app. Let me show you. Open the Contacts app. Choose the person whose calls you never want to miss. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap Ringtone. At the top, you'll see Emergency Bypass. Turn it on. Then tap Done, and tap Done again to save the contact. That's it. Now calls from this person can make a sound and vibrate even when notifications are being silenced by a focus mode. But here's something even better. You can do the same thing for their text messages. Go back into the contact, tap Edit. This time, tap Text Tone. Turn on Emergency Bypass here as well. Now both their calls and their messages can get your attention when they would otherwise be silenced. This is perfect for your partner, your children, elderly parents, or anyone who might need to contact you urgently. But don't enable it for everyone. The whole point is to reserve it for the people whose calls you genuinely don't want to miss. It's a tiny setting, but it's one of the most useful iPhone features to know about. Follow for more iPhone tips that actually make life easier.